Hey guys, and welcome back to Lewi Productions. Today's video, I wasn't exactly planning on filming today. What I had been planning to do, well, I'm just going to make sure my phone doesn't blow over and hit the chuckies, because that wouldn't be a good start to this video. I think we're solid enough. The wind just picked up as soon as I started filming. But anyway, this video today is all about this lovely little Super Robin. So what's actually happening today is it's leaving, and that may sound like I'm being very happy about it. I'm actually quite happy that it's leaving. Basically it's got someone that wants to restore the Super Robin, and it's the right kind of owner for restoring it. So it made sense, because I've already restored one of these. I've actually got a 75 Super Robin, identical in every way to this, apart from it's yellow. And yes, it was originally yellow from Reliant, it wasn't yellow because of a certain TV programme. But anyway, so this Robin here is heading away this afternoon to its new home. So I thought it was about just enough time for me to do, pardon me, a short video, just to let you guys know where it's going, why it hasn't appeared on the channel recently. Well, why it's not appeared on the channel recently, that's actually a very easy one to answer. I have not had the time to go near it. It's been parked up in the polytunnel, or in a storage, for quite some time now. And that's just because there's no windows in it, so that was to keep it dry. So I moved it out yesterday, and today it's just sitting waiting to be picked up. So it's a lovely little car. I cannot wait to see it restored, because it's going to look absolutely stunning. I mean, if it stays white or whatever colour it goes to, it's going to look brilliant. I mean, I love these little Mark 1 Robins. They are really, really nicely designed. And this one, yeah, it's been through the wars. The overriders are rotted off. There's a lot of bits on it that need some attention. But you know something? I'm happy that it's going to be going to restored, because I really don't have the time to do this one as well as Randy. Well, that Regal shouldn't be needing problems, but it has a problem now that's misfiring. But that I'm putting it down to a bad spark plug, so that's after this video I'm going to sort that. But anyway, I'll be quite glad to see it restored. It deserves to be restored. I also feel I've done my part in its history, because I saved it from a scrapyard with the help of some guys in a car group I'm in. We went in and negotiated. Well, I say negotiated. They said a price and I went yes. And then I got told, "Did you not negotiate?" No, I just said yes. But anyway, so I saved it from being destroyed. I put it on a new chassis, made it a viable restoration project, and now someone's going to continue that on and finish it. So it'll be great to see that done. And I mean, it is such a lovely car. The big damages was repaired on it by myself. It just needs small bits of fiberglass work done, and well, just a good restoration really. It's a lovely little motor. But yeah, I'll be slightly sad to see it go, but at the same time I'll be quite happy that it's going to a home it's going to be restored at, because that's the one thing I want to be able to do with these cars, is the ones that I can't restore, or I don't have the time to restore them, if they're duplicates of ones I've done, is to be able to find the right home for them. Like rehoming lost and forgotten Reliance almost. So yeah, but that's all this video is about. It's just a brief video to say really goodbye to the Super Robin. And I guess that means we've now gone from 14 Reliants to 13. And 13 doesn't sound a good number. I like the even numbers. I have to do something about that. Stay tuned to the channel to find out more in the upcoming, God knows how long, weeks, months, year, whatever. I'm sure we'll find a replacement for the good old Super Robin, and I'm sure it'll be an amazing little thing that replaces it, whenever that is. although there is some vehicles planned to come home this year already, so stay tuned, because I think I'll be unveiling them on a live stream, which should be quite interesting, especially for me when I can't see the phone while I'm live streaming. But we'll come to that, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. So anyway guys, I'm going to go and crack on with the mountain of work I've got to do today, because I've also got to go and fit a master cylinder to the 325 Super, and hopefully its brakes work. But after that, after the brakes are on in that one, that's to get the misfire sorted out, and then I think I've got the jobs for today done, I think. But anyway, I'm going to go and crack on with some of the work I've got to do today. I hope you enjoyed meeting this Robin on the channel, and it'll be great to see it restored once it's done. I'm sure I'll see it once it's all restored again. And I guess the other thing would be to add that in less than 3 weeks' time I'm going to be at the NEC at Birmingham. So I believe at the moment I'm going to be there from the Friday through to the Sunday. I will be on the Reliant Owners Club stand with the 1971 Super Van. So if you want to say hello or want to come and see the van, I'll be kicking about there. And then I've also got another show coming up in May. So I'll mention it briefly, there'll be more updates to come in a future video. So the next show in May is a very local one to me, and it's at the Grampian Transport Museum. It's called How Many Left, and it's a show purely for rare vehicles that are very low in numbers left now. And at this show I've got some kind of big plans. As you see, hopefully Randy to the left, the Regal to my right, the Super Vans, the 325 Super, the BN2, the Bond Bug, the Scamel, the Blue Robin, the Red Robin. Basically anything I've got that's road legal and fully working is going to be there. And I think that's about 10 Reliants the last time I counted. Well, 10 including the Scamel, so 9 Reliants and the Scamel. So yeah, this could be quite interesting and it could be quite fun. But if you want to see that lineup, there'll be more updates on that show coming to the channel in the near future. I will make sure to keep you all up to date with any shows I will be at with the vehicles this year. And if you want to come along and say hi or have a look around the vehicles, you'd be more than welcome. So that update on How Many Left will be the first one. It'll be coming out possibly end of March, April time, and I'll know exactly what all's going to be there. I really hope to get Randy and all the rest of them here. It just depends if they're all ready. But for the moment, I'm going to go and crack on with my work, otherwise I won't have anything ready for any of the shows. So thanks for watching guys. Remember to give the channel a subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm sure you'll be a few comments and a few people sad to see the Super Robin going. But yeah, I'm glad it's going somewhere it's going to be restored and looked after, just as well as it would have been here. But anyway, I'm going to go and crack on with what I should be doing today. We'll see you next time guys.